My name is Eugene Vessels and I'm a technician here at Werke, and I specialize in classic vehicles. The car we have here is a 1978 Lamborghini Silhouette. It is one of 52 or 54 made, depending on which source you believe, and there are only around 30 still in existence. I've rebuilt the 4 downdraft Weber carburetors and replaced the factory dual coil ignition with an MSD setup. I replaced the ignition because the car came to us not running the way it should. It had some hesitations and idling issues. Finding stock replacement parts for a car like this is really hard. That is why we opted for a more modern setup, and the MSD brand is pretty popular. The MSD ignition system supplies multiple sparks and higher voltage so that the engine runs better. So we've gone through quite a bit of effort to hide the aftermarket parts so that the car still appears factory. The car runs quite a lot better than it used to. It revs freely, it accelerates pretty hard, and it idles smooth. Do I like driving it? It's pretty fun to drive. It's a nice car. This is a good upgrade to do to cars with an older point-style ignition system. It just gives it more reliability, it performs better, and these parts are easy to find, whereas the older car parts are becoming an issue. So we've done the same conversion on a Porsche 930 Turbo, a Lamborghini LM002 4x4, and also on a 70s Mercedes SL. I would love to see a late 60s Alfa Romeo GTV come into the shop. That is one of my favorite cars of all time.